If you've got ground beef and pasta at home, you need to try this taco pasta. It's giving taco night and comfort food in one pan. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. This is going to be one of those easy weeknight meals that comes together fast but tastes like you did the most. Now let's get into it. So we're going to start by adding in a bit of olive oil into our pan, and then we'll be sauteing our onions and bell peppers. Now I'll saute these for about 2 minutes, just until they start to soften up. Then I'm going to be adding in the ground beef, and I'm going to cook this down until it's nice and browned. You want to make sure you break this up as much as you can to get that perfect texture. Now while the beef is cooking, we're going to add in some flavor. For the taco seasoning, I'm going to be using chili powder, cumin, some black pepper, salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some dried oregano, and some red chili flakes for a bit of heat. So I'm going to add some of this seasoning right to the ground beef. I'm only going to be using about half, and then I'll save the rest for later. Now we're just going to mix that all together. I'm going to give that a good mix, and then I'm just going to drain some of this excess oil and return the pan back to the heat. Next, I'm going to be adding in my garlic, because we don't skip garlic in this house. Now I'm going to add in some tomato paste and the rest of that taco seasoning. I'm going to let that cook down for about another minute. This really deepens the flavor. Next, I'm going to pour in the diced tomatoes, uncooked pasta, and some beef stock. And I'm going to give that a good mix. Then I'm going to bring this to a boil, reduce the heat to about medium-low, and then cover and let it simmer until the pasta is cooked and everything is nice and saucy. Once the pasta is tender, you're going to stir in the cheddar cheese until it's melted and creamy. Then I'm just going to top this off with some more cheddar cheese and some fresh green onions. I'll just cover this back up for about a minute just to help that cheese melt. And just like that, dinner is done. One pot, minimal cleanup, and everybody's going back for seconds. If you love easy, family-friendly meals like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to save this recipe for later, because you will be making this again. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen. Bye-bye.